This is a BMW 335i, the legendary E92. A car that redefined turbocharged performance for its time and helped put BMW's inline 6 turbos on the map. It can make some serious power with just a few simple mods. And let's be honest, it's one of the best looking BMWs ever made. You see one and you want one, and that includes me. But there's a catch. Clean examples are hard to find, and the good ones, they don't come cheap. I couldn't justify spending that kind of money on a car that might cost me just as much in maintenance. That is, until my friend Mike found something tucked away, sitting for years at his friend's place, a forgotten BMW 335i. Most people would have walked away, but me, no way. Maybe this is my one shot. So, I present to you my E92 335i project.
But let me tell you, this car has a story. It was originally purchased by the previous owner for 74,800 ringgit in 2018. It has KW-V3 suspension. It has TTH upgraded turbos, which means it makes some serious power when it runs. But I only got it for 20,000 ringgit because this car apparently has some transmission issues. It has a service light. Thankfully, it doesn't have a check engine light. Let's see if we can actually reverse. So, gear is in reverse. That is in reverse. Hammer, the car doesn't move.
I think it's a better idea to tow the car.
Towing is expensive, bro. I want to cut costs.
Then just drive it.
Okay, it's working now. I really don't think we need a PPI on this car. So the first things first, we put the car in D. Transmission faulty. Stop the engine. Start it back. The error is gone. Service overdue. Really been well maintained. Oh, it's driving now. If I get into any stop and go traffic, it's fucked. Like, literally fucked. Where's Jack? So this is a problem because we are... If I get stuck here, please stop, Mr. Rolls. Yep. Yep. Yeah, that was stressful. Again, we parked the car, turn off. Pray to God that it starts. Please. So as long as we don't stop, we should be good. But that's it's not moving. You have to give it a lot of gas, and then it doesn't even want to rev up. Hey Jack, I think I can't stop anymore, no matter what.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Okay, this is the situation that we don't want to be in.
Making a U-turn.
Making it right. Okay, at least they're moving. As long as nobody stops, we should be good. Please don't stop, please don't stop, please, 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 please. Okay, good, good. We are not stopped yet. We are not stopped yet. Okay, good. No, no. Okay, go, go, go. Oh,
Fuck.
Fuck.
Wait, try.
Yep. Oh my God, we need to turn the car off again. Yeah, that lorry was not happy. Okay. One more test to make sure the car is in perfect condition. Do you think the cup holders work? See? So that just means the car is in perfect condition.
Yeah.
This and this. That's just great. Okay, let's try this again. Turn the car off. Please.
Are you sure you want to go into traffic?
I mean, what other option do I have? Fuck. This is one of the riskiest things I've ever done, honestly. Because if we stop, it's not gonna be easy. I absolutely cannot believe that we made it. We are like 100 meters away. I feel like that's a big success. We expected to arrive at 6 and it's 3:28.
Stop. Stop.
Good morning, bro.
Morning, bro. How are you?
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am great. Bro, it was so stressful driving the car.
Why you need reverse, bro?
Yeah, let's exchange.
You sure? Okay. If I fix the gearbox, can we swap?
Yeah.
Bro. Done. Done. It's B58. Are you jealous? Car is in reverse now, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Hammer tried to give me more pops and bangs. You can't flash the car. The car is dead. It's paperweight. We can push it now.
What happened to the pops and bangs?
We don't have pops and bangs and we don't have a driving car. So it used to be that only the transmission is broken. Now the entire thing is broken. Yeah. Thank you, Amr.
Welcome to the 335i project.
I sold a very reliable car to get another very reliable car. Bro, what the fuck is this exhaust? Why does it have a resonator? It's gay. We need an X pipe here. This car is perfect, bro. Just perfect for me. The exhaust is leaking. You can just cut it off. Yeah. These KWs look very nice. But it's on its highest setting, right? Why is the wheel still like tucked in? I have no idea what I'm looking at. But I have to look serious. He looks so serious. Like he found like a big problem. Which is the trick, because that's what you do so you can lowball the owner. Fan is very nice. It's the only fan. I told you the car is not sitting properly.
You need a straight pipe exhaust.
Yes, 100%. Gonna be straight piping the car.
Which side?
Both sides. It's sitting
No,
like so
I think
low and so inside.
it's this KW.
No, bro, it's not supposed to be tucked in like that. That's crazy to spend KW V3 money on a 335.
This is around 17, 18K.
What wire? Earth wire. Burnt wire? Earth wire. Oh. I thought you said burnt wire.
Bro, I was
why?
like, what the fuck?
Why would you burn a wire? At this price, checking the car is a disrespect to whoever's selling it. Right? Or just, if you found any problems, let me know so I can get a discount, okay? We list off the items, we list their price. We send
And
the
then
bill. Yeah.
send them the quotation,
Yeah.
and then we tell them,
Discount.
now you need to give money to repair this car.
That's how we do it.
There is oil leak here on the turbo, and then a coolant leak. This one is power steering.
Power
steering,
steering leaking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
Oil leak, power steering leak. That's new, I've never had that. Coolant leak, trans is blown. Something wrong with the rear suspension.
flywheel also leaking.
Bro, this is bad.
Like this bumper vigorously scraped by owner.
Great condition. Actually, not that bad. I expected it to be way worse. We don't need reverse. It's a race car. Scale of 1 to 10 without driving the car. I mean, we can't drive it. 7? 7?
7 out of 10 is really good though.
Actually, not bad. Jesus.
It should be higher also because it's a stage 3.
But the
Bigger
turbo
turbos.
is leaking oil. We have to rebuild it, right? Rebuild the turbo. That's not, we don't have to.
Change to bigger turbo, right?
Yep.
It's already bigger.
It's already
Oh,
bigger.
already
It's
bigger.
already TTH.
Oh.
Yeah. We can go bigger. We can get a single turbo kit. How much do you think it would cost?
In total?
Yep.
Oh,
That's nothing. Literally like nothing. Yeah.
but we can deduct from the price of the car, no?
Fuck you.
We can do that.
What's the car?
Reverse the car. That's a good idea.
If it can.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh my god. Oh.
Bro, you
Huh?
can go full throttle.
Go to B, then reverse.
You went forward.
Transmission fault.
You have to turn the car off and on again.
Told me to come on
Him, it's not, you're not doing anything. It's just him pushing. Great condition, right? Yep. The rear is not sitting right at all.
Yeah, that's why I told you.
So how's the condition of the car, bro? Do you approve? No.
This
right?
one.
It's a lemon. Yep.
Oh, it's very powerful, huh?
It's stock now, stock power, and then the transmission is like, oh god.
I don't know, bro. Need to rescan the car and see. Most probably, I think we need to change the gearbox. Car is pulling one side.
Yeah.
I think it's a gearbox issue, lah, bro. Not the solenoid. Ratio monitoring clash D.
Okay.
This one. I think it's a gearbox, not the solenoid.
How much would it be to fix the car?
The gearbox is
For the same gearbox.
Yeah.
And if we want to do like a manual, do you think you can?
need to check.
How about the ZF8?
The one also I check.
So what do you say? Should I buy the car?
Yeah.
Should I drive it back home?
Yeah.
With this transmission?
No problem, right?
Yeah, no problem.
problem to drive it
Perfect
out.
condition.
To reverse is a problem.
Can we get bucket seats? Can we get your bucket seats?
Yeah.
We don't need them anymore. Damn, where was the last time this car had an oil change? 6 years ago? Boom, 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 boom,
Kaboom.
boom, boom. Okay. If you lower your expectations, you will never get disappointed. It's crazy how this engine has lasted with the same oil from the factory.
Yeah.
So the car is in great condition.
Do you want to just park it
There's
at
only
the house?
front clip that can actually
We're
make
gonna
the
park it
money.
in my house.
You can also park it at my house, I guess.
My house has a parking lot.
Then park it your house, lah.
My house has a parking lot.
All of them are telling, don't buy the car, but you can park it at my house if you get it. The car is in a worse condition than my F30 was when I got it. Since I learned a lot with that car, bro, over the years with that car, it was a great experience. Every time it broke down and made me cry.
No, don't say every time it broke down. Every time you broke it.
No. The conclusion is no one in their right mind should come anywhere close to this car. But I'm not in my right mind, so I guess I'm getting a new car. Subscribe so I can afford it. Bro!